Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe and sound the following words together. Before transcribing the words, the first thing to do is to open up the slashes. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm done. The first word here is home. And the second word is people. And this one is seat. And this one is comfort. And this one is sit. And this is chair. Alright, I'm done. Let's go. Home, people, seat, comfort, sit, chair. Home, people, seat, comfort, sit, chair. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.